Out here, man. Look, we at the old Six Flags in New Orleans. About to do some airsoft, you know what I'm saying? Got Shaggy in the background. Got Shaggy in the background.
Boom. You already know how we coming.
Yeah, we cutting
We
up.
about to get in here and cut up. I know that.
Oh, all the way down from Chicago. Let
I
them know.
appreciate you sliding, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna have some fun with the day, baby. Oh, yeah. Airsoft. I know. Yeah.
It's about to go down.
It's about to go down out here doing airsoft at the old Six Flags amusement park.
The old Six Flags.
Yeah, we're going to walk. Yeah, we're going to walk. And I got that green gas. Yeah, I got that thing that's like real light. Yeah, real light. Real light. Yeah. We really in the jungle.
We don't just be out there shooting at no goddamn baby. We really getting the
No.
feel, baby.
Yes,
Yeah.
Lord. It's about to go
Real
down,
magical
down.
Shit.
Yeah. Gotta go, got down, Shaggy.
Hey, we're good. We're all good.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Get your ass up over without the bag.
Got him. Oh, yeah, we back here, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
Who wanna come get some of us? Who come in the war with us, baby? See?
Oh, them in the background. She's making a video.
Yeah. Nigga, that's our teammates.
That's our teammates.
Don't you think they'll be hitting them before they hit me? They're trying to teach me how to go there.
Oi, back there.
Straight back. Straight back. We in that back room back there.
Time.
Come on, let's push.
Who going first?
You up? You want to go straight across?
We might as well.
On three, everybody push.
Joe, you want to go?
On three, everybody push. Y'all ready?
Straight across.
1, 2, 3. Oh, my bad. Oh, boy.
We're taking hella fire from the top there. We've also got our objective right over there.
Hey, you got a door over here? Oh, grab! Grenade! To the right!
Dad, we're good. Am I dead?
No, you ain't.
I'm dead. Dad. Wait, medic or whatever?
Right here.
Yeah, I'm about to say, here. He came through that through the back window.
Yeah, he threw a grenade through there. Get that grenade, Shaggy. Time to get jiggy. Motherfuckers want to throw grenades, huh?
Yep.
Let's give him some cover.
Oh, damn it.
He hit you?
No.
You missed.
Oh, my bad.
I'm supposed to go through the window.
It didn't go through the window like a dumb fuck.
That's all right.
I got that shit on camera. So where are they? Straight door right there? Some of that. Oh shit, the door right there. You got the door covered, right? Whoa, the but you're throwing grenades like a motherfucker.
Going down.
Hey, let's push around. Let's push around. Which way?
Gunfire coming from this way and on the side.
We can't go upstairs?
We boxed all the way in. Now we damn near need to go back and
We got
regroup.
10 pushing up right across from us. That's us.
Y'all want to push? Hey, look. Hey, we can push to the...
10!
Turn! Y'all want to push to the right?
Yeah, we can try.
Let's go.
Do it.
Y'all, let's push to the right. Watch the grenade, the door right there now.
Yeah, he throwing them.
He throwing them bitches. Come from the outside. Hey, y'all still there? Yeah. Hey, look across, y'all. Oh, that's us. I was about to tell y'all. Hey, what is
So,
No, they said they have part of it.
yeah, they have part of it. They're coming right
Because they
for
said
us.
not to go out there and just bake.
I would try and get along this wall and don't let them push in.
Yeah, but they got an angle right here.
Or we can push back. Hey, if you guys want to push back and get on top of the roof,
Hey, let's go kill them motherfuckers that just went over there.
you don't want to get on top of the roof?
I don't know. Uh-oh.
Oh, that's awesome. Let's go. That's the guy that you want to follow.
Randall, hang
He going that way then.
Stay alert, bro. They're fucking
Yeah, they coming
Yeah.
from the back.
Yeah, but they got to shoot far. They can't shoot that far.
These guys need medics.
Go get them.
Hey, someone cover Guan.
Y'all keep forgetting about the motherfuckers that walking that way.
I'm the dude, I see. I'm looking at it. Trust me, Shaggy. I ain't about to let no motherfucker
Shit, boy. Them bitches hot, boy. Oh, shit, it's hot. Woo, woo. Come on, hurry up before they push. Just leave it there. You get low. You get low. I'm going up. Top building?
Top, ready? Over here. That's where he was. I think I got
Cover me, cover me.
I'm pretty sure I shot him when I came out that corner.
What is that?
Like under there. That was my side guy.
Where is he?
He's dead. Yeah.
Where is he?
Second story still. I just don't know where.
basically.
Yeah.
Get the cover. Get the cover. Get the cover.
You need me to come save you?
I don't know where the hell it is.
I don't know. I just looked upstairs. I didn't see anybody.
I want to get back in the action.
Yeah.
You got, where I go.
I don't know. You see 2 minutes, then you come in.
We'll get him. We'll get him. No, we gotta come get you.
No, you gotta stay over there,
Yeah. Okay.
Ready? These guys are right.
I don't have a gun. Come back.
I'm out.
Yeah. Here.
Oh.
Let me put that shit on.
No, I don't know how this shit
I don't
goes.
know. I go. We don't have today.
You see the windows and picnics?
Yeah. I've been looking at it. My hand come out.
There you go. It's not very tight. If you want to fix it, you can.
Were you downstairs, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, hit. I'm going. Give me some water. Hit. Hit. Dead. I'm dead.
Oh shit! I gotta start looking at the ground.
I'm dead.
There's man holes in here.
Dead.
Step on that plate right
Dead up here, buddy. Don't shoot me.
there.
I've been trying to kill your ass all goddamn day.
Hit.
See where he at now, though. Dead. Hit. I don't think I got hit, no. I just fucking slid on the ground, something popped me. It might have been one. Hey,
I got lit up from that dude from the back.
but I thought you couldn't shoot from the back there.
I thought so too.
Hit.
Hit. Hit.
Hit.
Hit.
Where?
Right here. So they got gunfire coming across.
Right.
But do we have any guys like right here?
That's what you got.
Go to him.
Is there a window that looks on the outside of these doors?
Find out.
Hey, we can't give them a fucking ban? Hey, we can't go save them?
Yeah. I think we could.
Nothing.
There's a guy right there. I didn't see him, but I could hear him right there. Fucking entrance. So I was just watching him.
Well, we had 2 guys get shot from here.
Yeah, he's right there in the entrance. You can see him on that bridge. You can't really see him, but.
Yeah, right here, Silas.
See something, Shaggy?
I see him on that bridge.
You can hit him? Let me see if I can get him. Got a scope on this bitch. Hey, where they at? Hey, where are they?
They're in the brush to the right and left.
We gotta get right there.
Yeah, getting fucked up.
They got a better angle on us or something. Shaggy, I don't see no bullets coming out.
I got. Oh, I see him.
Oh, you can see them?
This motherfucker keep coming at the bottom of the steps, sticking his head up. There's 2 more coming up that way.
I'm fucking up. I've been trying to load this motherfucker for the longest. Hey, should take that plastic as a shield. You. Man, this motherfucker. What's wrong, Shaggy?
I can't handle Shaggy.
They shot you? Oh. Oh, fuck that bitch ricocheting, boy.
Yeah, I don't know if they're right here.
I ain't hit yet. You hit? Hey, you dead or you hit? You dead? Hold on, I got the thing. Wait up. Y'all want these? Holy fuck. We in a fucking hard place.
You gotta go touch him.
I gotta touch Merc?
Literally, all you have to do is just touch him.
Merc, if I touch you alive? Him right there?
No, but touch this guy first.
Oh, fuck.
You come bring me back to life. I got another life. Yeah, you can bring me back to life.
Be ready, Shaggy. I'm coming in and out fast. You ready?
No pressure.
Be ready.
I'm ready.
I'm dropping my gun. I'm dropping my gun, Shaggy. I don't see nothing. I don't see him. Upstairs, y'all. They got upstairs. Watch upstairs. Upstairs? Oh, hit. Ooh, right and pop the head. Shit. Damn, I got one too. Shit. That bitch popped me right on top of the fucking head. God damn. Now I got hit. Shit. Bitch, I gotta sit down for a second. Whew, I'm hit. Shit. Oh, that nigga popped me dead on top of the head. I think the camera got that one. Come on, Merc. Save me, I save you.
I got you.
God damn, nigga shot me in the head, boy. Come on, man, come straight, just come straight. All right. Good catch, good catch. Whew. Hit me in the fucking head, boy. God damn.